Amara reading her first book, October 16th, 2013. How old are you, Amara?
4.
Okay, go ahead. And this book is called Gus. Okay, go ahead, Amara.
Gus is a bug. Gus has fuzz. Gus runs and runs and runs. Gus has fun in the mud. Gus nips a
Sound it out.
bud.
Bud.
Bud. Gus, no. Yum. Gus rubs his fuzz. Gus rubs and rubs. Gus has a nap. Gus naps and naps. Gus is up. Gus
Sound it out.
tugs and tugs. It is Gus. Gus has no fuzz.
Good girl, Amara. Awesome. You did it. You excited?
Yes.
Good job. High five. All right.